Welcome to Chitrayan drawing class for kids. Today I am going to show you how to draw and paint a lotus easily. If you are following this tutorial, watch this video till end. You can follow my drawing step by step. Let's start. At first I draw the round shape. This is the center line. Now I add the V shape. This is the level. We write W. Then I join the line at the middle. Now I draw another circle for lower part. This is little bit small. Now I draw curved line for petals. After the drawing, we erase the dot line. I finish the drawing. Having finished the drawing, then apply the colors accordingly. Let's start. Pink. At first I make the boundary, then I fill the colors. Primary red. I use here primary red for shading. Pink. Primary red. Rose pink. Pink. Primary red. Light green. Sap green. Light blue. Prussian blue. I think I finished my work. My only advice to you, practice every day because practice makes a man perfect. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.